Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. On today's Variety Spotlight, we're going to be talking about a very interesting and peculiar herb called the toothache plant. So this plant is native to Brazil, where it's known in the Amazon as jambu. It's used medicinally and it is fully edible. The plant's leaves, stems, and flowers are all edible. Some of the other names in America for it are the buzz button and the electric daisy. Pretty interesting, huh? Any ideas why this plant might be called all these peculiar names? Well, the toothache plant contains an organic compound called spilantol, which has antifungal, antimicrobial, and pain-relieving analgesic properties. In short, this plant actually numbs your mouth when you eat it. If you chew on the leaves, the stems, and especially the flower buds. A couple other uses for this plant that I've read about is eating the leaves fresh in salads for a nice little flavor and zing. And then in India, the flower buds are mixed with chewing tobacco, similarly for flavor and I guess that tingling sensation. So, it's kind of hard to explain, but what I'm going to do is eat one of these buds and I'll do my best to convey the sensation that I get. I've chewed on these a couple times, but I've never actually eaten the whole one and swallowed it. So I'm going to do that today, see if that makes any difference. All right, here we go. So we have a fresh little buzz button here, and this is what it does. So first of all, it doesn't smell that good. The head is really dense. It's a pretty little flower though. Looks nice in the garden. Cheers. So immediately a nice floral taste. Okay, so the whole side of my mouth is already tingling. Yeah, kind of grassy. Okay. That is unpleasant. Okay, excuse me. I couldn't swallow it. Wow, okay, so my entire tongue is numb and now it's in my throat. I never experienced it in my throat before. I always would spit it out first. Wow, okay, I have like almost a citric taste in my mouth. My tongue is buzzing. Wow, very interesting. It makes you salivate profusely. It's a very tingling sensation. It almost feels like tiny bubbles in your mouth. If you've ever licked a 9-volt battery, it has that similar kind of like pulsing current to it. It's not as strong, but oh my gosh, my entire mouth is coated. My lips. Really feel it in your throat. Has like a cooling effect when you breathe in. Makes your mouth feel really cool. Wow, I just feel it in my lips, tongue. It's not that enjoyable, but it's very interesting. It's a fun, it's starting to kind of fade a little bit now. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, this is a pretty cool plant to grow. You could prank your friends with it, or at least get them to try it out. Quite interesting. There's no other plant that I know of that produces this kind of effect. I don't really know what else you would really use it for, but it's fun. Try a leaf. This has a leafy lettuce flavor. The little buzz is a lot more mild with the leaf. Yeah, pretty good. Wow, very interesting. Okay guys, there you go. There's the toothache plant. I got these seeds from Baker Creek. Grow some if you'd like. This is the bullseye variety, which has the red tip, and I guess there's an all yellow variety as well. All right, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.